Hello everybody, today I would like to present to you a Grasshopper definition that I created called Waveline Shaper. You are free to download this definition by clicking on the link that is shown below this video. You are also free to make modification to this definition to craft it to suit your intended design and purpose. Basically, this definition can be used to create wave-like patterns on a surface. Okay, now let's head over to the script itself to look at some of the parameters that we can use to create our intended effects. Okay, so over here at the base region creation, we have the parameters that can be used to define the boundary as well as the curves used to create this surface. Okay, over here at the x-axis length, basically by tweaking the x-axis number slider, you're able to define the length of this surface along the x-axis. Okay. Okay, at the y-axis section locations, you're able to define the location of some of the curves that were used to form this surface. Okay, let me turn on the preview for the construction curves. Okay, okay, yeah, you can see over here these are the curves that were used to construct this surface, and these sliders can be used to define the location for most of the curves. Okay, for example, I can tweak these values to define the location of these curves. Okay, additionally, there is another slider over here to define the location of this curve over here. Okay. Okay, now let's head over to the wave amount section. Okay, here is where you control the amount of waves on the surface. Basically, there are two parameters, the resolution and the amount. I'm not sure whether amount is the correct term to use, but I guess that's the closest I can get based on the effect that it can create. Okay, so the resolution here is used to define or increase the resolution of the curve that were used to create the surface. Okay, and the amount here basically can be used to control the amount of waves on the surface. Okay, as you can see over here. Okay, you can see, yep. Okay, yeah, so maybe I don't want so much, just okay, yep. Okay, you can see over here. Okay, okay, the next section is the height of wave. Okay, as the name implies, it can be used to control the height of the wave. Okay, yeah, you can see that the height of the wave is increased by increasing the value over here. Okay, okay, here is where you can do some fine tuning. Yep. Okay, over here we have this curve and fading axis direction. Okay, basically this section can be used to control the general profile of the wave pattern. Okay, by tweaking the curve on the graph mapper. Okay, let me show you how you can do it. Okay, for example, by moving this, you can see that, yep, the wave patterns has been changed to reflect this new wave shape on the graph mapper. Okay, Okay, you can even change the graph type by right-clicking on the main body of this node and go to graph types and change to another graph type. Let's say I want to use Bezier. Okay, now you can see it's been changed to Bezier, and I can modify the curve to change the effects on the surface here. Okay, as you can see over here. Okay, let's get back to the original. Okay, lastly, you have this surface creation section, which allows you to rebuild your curve to the curves to a different control point count. Okay, yep. Okay, so yes. Okay, I think I've come to the end of this presentation. If you find that this definition might be useful for you, you can click on the link below to download it. Okay, hope that this video has been useful to you. See you around. Bye.